What's going on, everybody? It's the Creative Fro, checking back in for another episode of What I Wish I Knew Wednesday. And today, what I wanted to talk to you about is jump cuts, and why I wish I knew about them when I first started out. But before we dive into today's video, let me remind you to hit the big red subscribe button if you have yet to already, and also turn that notification bell on just for fun. A jump cut is used to cut from one clip to the next, or you can cut ahead to later on in that same clip. This is perfect for cutting out airspace and talking clips, and this is perfect because when you edit the clips, you could take out the ums and ahs that were said during the speaking parts. Using jump cuts can really help keep the viewer's attention to where it needs to be. And as a video editor, this is a great tool to use to help cut out the unwanted messy parts of the video and just keep the polished and clean parts in for the final edit. I really wish I knew about jump cuts when I first started out, because this is a great way to clean up your videos, and you can really hone in on the message you're trying to give in a video edit. And I've used jump cuts in many different video edits. I've done them in vlogs, corporate videos, and tutorials too as well. So I'd love to show you how I go about creating my own jump cuts. So why don't you join us back here this upcoming Sunday for Fireside Tech to show you how you can apply jump cuts to your video. I hope everybody enjoyed today's video. Please like if you did, comment down below if there's anything you wish you knew, and share this video if you think it could help somebody. I can't wait to see you next Wednesday for another episode of What I Wish I Knew. Until then, keep creating.